Good morning dear friends. As you know, we have completed exercise 2.4 in previous class. Now I am going to take new point, decimal numbers. Dear friend, we have learned about decimal numbers in previous class. Dear friend, in this class I want to recall some basic points about decimal numbers system. We have learned that the decimals are an extension of our number system. We also know that decimals can be considered as a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. Dear students, which numbers expressed in the form of decimals, those numbers we will call decimal numbers. Before going to example, we have to understand what is the mean by decimal. Dear students, decimal comes from Latin word decimus. Decimus means 10. Basis 10, that is we will call decimal point. Dear student, in decimal numbers there is two parts. Okay, see, let us see an example here. See, this is the decimal number. Here we have two parts. Okay, this is the whole number parts. This part we will call whole number part. And this part we will call decimal part. Decimal part. Dear student, here these two parts are separated by dot. That dot we will call decimal point. See, dear student, left side this part we will call whole number part, and right side this part we will call decimal part. Let us see place value here. This is the ones place. This is the tens. This is the 100 place. Okay, in this is the 10th place. This is the 100th place. This is the place value of the decimal number. Dear friend, next I am going to take exercise 2.5. Now I am taking the exercise 2.5. First main, which is greater. Dear friend, in this main we have, see, first problem we have two decimal numbers. We have to find out here which is greater in these two decimal numbers. Let us see solution. See, dear friend, we have here two decimal number. First one is 0.5 or 0.05. First you see ones place. Both decimal numbers you observe here ones place. See, this is the ones place is 0 and second decimal number also 0. So here also 0, here also 0. So these two are equal. Next you move 10th place. See, in first decimal numbers 10th place is 5. Okay, here 10th place is 5. Next second number you see here 10th place is 0. Okay, 5 is greater, but here in 10th place we have 0, so we can say that 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Now you can write here 0.5 is greater than 0.05. This is the solution. Okay, next second question here. Let us see solution. Dear friend, you observe here 0.7 is greater or 0.5 is greater. First you observe here ones place. Here also in first decimal number ones place is 0. Here also ones place is 0. Both are equal. Next you move 10th place. 10th place here we have 10th place is 7. In second decimal number 10th place is 5. Now we can say that 7 is the big number comparing to 5. Okay, now we can say that 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Okay, 0.7 is greater number, big number. Now you can move a third problem here. 7, we have to find out here 7 is the greater or 0.7 is the greater. Now you see here 7, this is the whole number. Okay, this is the whole number, this is the ones place. Now ones place is 0 here. In this decimal number here, ones place is 0, ones place is 7. Now we can say that 7 is greater than 0.7. This is the solution. Now fourth problem you see here solution. 1.37 is greater, or we have to find out here which is the greater in these two decimal numbers. Okay, see, ones place you see first. Ones place in first decimal number is 1, and here also 1. Now these two are equal. Okay, next you move 10th place. 10th place here 3. Here also 3. Both are equal. Next you move 100th place. Here 7. Here 9. Which is the big here? 9 is the big. So we can say that 1.37 is smaller than 1.39. Okay, this is the solution. This is the solution. In this main, remaining problems in this main you solve in home. I am taking your second main. Here student, see your second main express as rupees using decimals. We have to express these rupees in the form of decimal. See here 7 paisa. Let us see solution. Dear student, as you know, for 1 rupees, how many paisa? For 1 rupees, 100 paisa. 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. Now we can say that for 1 paisa, that is equal to 1 by 100 rupees. 100 rupees. Now here, see here we have 7 paisa. Then we can say that that is 7 by 100. Okay, 7 by 100. Out of 100 here 7 paisa. Now we can say that here how many zero? We have to shift the decimal number. When we shifting here decimal number, okay, we have 2 0. We have to shift here 2 numbers. 1, 2. Here the decimal number. Now we can write here 0.07. This is the decimal form. We have to shift here 2 numbers because we have here 2 0. We can shift 2 numbers. When we shifting 2 numbers here decimal, now we can say that 0.07 is the decimal number. Solution 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees. 1 rupees. Then for 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100 rupees. Okay, now we can say here we have 7 rupees. This is the old. Okay, we have to find out here 7 paisa. Now we can write that 7 plus 7 by 100. Okay, we have to shift here 2 numbers. We have to shift. Now we can say that, let us see, 7 plus, when we shifting decimal numbers after 2 numbers, we are getting here 0.07. When we adding these two, we are getting here 7.07 rupees. This is the solution. Okay. Next, third problem here. Solution. For 100 paisa equal to 1 rupees. 1 rupees. For 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100 rupees. Then here 77 rupees, 77 paisa. 77, this is the old number. 77 paisa we have to represent in the decimal form. Let us see here 77 plus 77 by 100. We have to shift here again 2 numbers because we have 2 0 here. We have to shift 2 numbers. Decimal point. When we shifting, we are getting here 77 plus 0.77. 0.77 we are getting here. When we adding here, we are getting here 77.77 rupees. Okay, this is the solution. Dear friend, in this main you have remaining 2 problems you solve in home. Next I am going to take third main. Now I am taking here third main. First problem. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Yes, friend, in this question we have to express here 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Yes, friend, as you know, for 1 meter, how many centimeter there? That is the 100 centimeter. Now we can write that for 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Now we can say that for 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 100 meter. Okay, when we writing 5 centimeter, we are getting here 5 by 100 meter. When we writing, we are getting here 0.05 because we have 20 no 0.05 meter because we have here 20. We have to shift here 2 number. We have to shift decimal point after 2 number. We shifting, we are getting here 0.05 meter. Okay, 5 centimeter. When we converting, we are getting here 0.05 meter. Next, we have to convert here kilometer. Dear student, as you know, for 1 kilometer, how many meters here? For 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Now we can write that 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, when we writing 0.05 meter in 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, 0.05 we are getting here 0.05 by 1000. Okay, 1000 kilometer. When we writing, we have 30. Okay, we have 30. We have to shift this decimal point after 3 numbers. When we shifting this decimal point after 3 numbers, because we have 30 here. When we shifting this decimal point after 3 numbers, we are getting here 0.00005. This is the solution. Next I am taking your second problem. Taking your third main second problem. Dear friend, here in this question given here, express 35 millimeter in centimeter and meter and kilometer. Dear friend, as you know, for 1 centimeter, how many millimeter? For 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. First we have to convert 35 millimeter into centimeter. Let us see solution. Solution. For 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. For 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. When we writing 35 millimeter equal to 35 by 10 centimeter. Okay, here we have 10. We have to shift here after 1 number. Now, when we shifting here decimal point after 1 number, we are getting here 3.5 centimeter. Now 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 1 meter. Now 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 centimeter. When we writing 3.5 centimeter is equal to 3.5 by 100 meter. Dear friend, here we have 20. We have to shift this decimal point after 2 number. When we shifting, see, we are getting here. We have to shift here 2 number. Okay, when we shifting, we are getting here 0.035 meter. Okay, when we shifting 3.5 centimeter in the form of meter, we are getting a 0.035 meter. Because we have 20, we have to shift this decimal point after 2 numbers. When we shifting this decimal point, we are getting a 0.035 meter. We have completed. Next, kilometer. Dear friend, as you know, and 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, then 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Then see, we have a meter and we are writing 0.035 meter equal to 0.035 by 1000. Now 30. We have to shift this decimal point after 3 number. Okay, we have to move left side. Okay, because we have 30. We have to shift the left side 3 numbers. When we shifting, we are getting here 0.00035 kilometer. This is the solution. Next I am going to take the fourth main. Dear friend, I am taking here fourth main. See here we have 3 problems. Okay, we have 3 problems. We have to express in the form of kg. We have to express in kg. These grams we have to express here in kg. Dear friend, as you know, for 1 kg, how many grams? For 1 kg, 1000 grams. Okay, let us see solution. Let us see solution. For 1000 grams equal to 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg. Then 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. Now we have 200 gram. 200 gram equal to 200 by 1000. Okay, by 1000 kg. When see, dear friend, we have here 30 now. So we have to shift the decimal point after 30. Here we have to shift the decimal point after 0. Here to here. See here. This is the decimal point here. At the end of the decimal point. When we shifting here 3 numbers, we are getting here 0.2 kg. 0.2 kg. This is the solution. Let us see the second problem here. Solution. Dear student, as you know, for 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Now 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. Now here in this problem we have 3470 gram. That is equal to 3470 by 1000. Okay, when we kg. Dear student, now we have 30 here. We have to shift after 3 number, because here decimal point. When we shifting 3 numbers, we are getting here 3.470 kg. Okay, this is the solution. See, third problem here. As you know, dear student, 100 gram equal to 1 kg. 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000. Okay, here 4 kg, that is the whole number. Okay, 4 kg, that is the whole number. See, when we writing 8 gram, when we writing 8 gram, now we getting here 8 by 1000. 8 by 1000. When we writing, let us see, when we writing, we are getting here 4 kg. When we writing, we are getting here 4 kg. We have to shift here. We have to shift after 3 numbers. We are getting here 0.008 kg. Okay, when we adding these two, we are getting here 4.008 kg. This one I am taking a treatment. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Dear friends, see first problem solution. In the expanded form, now we are getting here 2 into 10 plus, this is the 1 place, 0 into 1 plus, here this is the 10 place. When we are writing, now we are getting here 1 by 10 plus, this is 100 place. When we are writing 3 into 1 by 100. This 0 is the 1's place and 2 is the 10th place. When we are writing expanded form, we are getting here 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Next, second problem here. When we are writing expanded form, this decimal number, now see here, 2 is the 1's place, this is the 10th place, this is the 100th place. When we are writing in expanded form, we are getting here 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. Okay, because here this is the 10th place, this is the 100th place, this is the 1st place. When we write expanded form, we are getting here 2 into 1, this is the 1's place, plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. This is the expanded form for decimal number 2.03. Next, third problem here, let us see solution. Solution 200.03. Dear students, let us see, observe this one. This is the 1's place, this is the 10th, this is the 100. This is the 10th, this is the 100. Now, when we are writing in the expanded form, we are getting here 2 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100. This is the expanded form of decimal number 200.03. Now, dear students, the remaining problems in this main you solve in home. Next, I am taking here 6th main. Now, dear students, 6th main here, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. Dear students, in this main I am solving here only 4 problems. Remaining problems you solve in home. Solution. First one, place value 2. What is the place value here? Let us see solution. 2 is the 1's place, 5 is the 10th place, this is the 100th place. Okay, let us see solution. Place value 2 in 2.56 is, when we are writing in the expanded form, we are getting here 2 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100. Okay, this is the expanded form. Second problem here. Let us see second problem. Here we have to find out the place value of 2. Now solution. We are writing this expanded form. We are getting here 2 into 10 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 7 into 1 by 100. What is the place value here? Place value is 10. Okay, place value. Write down the place value of 2 in 21.37 is 10th place. Okay, 10th place. Third problem here. Solution. Here also we have to find out here 2 place value. Now when we writing in expanded form, we are getting here 1 into 10 plus 1 0 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100. Now place value in this number, the place value of 2 in number 10.25 is 10. Okay, this is the solution.